Alrighty guys, made a quick stop at Dollar General real quick in case you had to go and grab some drinks or something. But we're gonna head out to the Spillway. We got permission to fish since it's now posted. Casey ended up getting us permission to fish though, which is awesome. We're gonna head back in there and hopefully we can rip them. Should be able to do pretty good. Stay tuned guys. Let's rip them today using some Context swim baits. Stay tuned.
All right guys, just got out here. The water's beautiful. Nice day. Gonna do a little bit of catfishing. What you got, snag? Colin already got his first snag of the day.
I got a rainbow trout head. I'm gonna go ahead and cast it out in hopes to catch big old catfish tonight. That's the hopes. But we'll see if we can catch some. We'll see. Stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Beautiful cast. We're out in the water. Pretty darn deep out there. I'm being honest. We're pretty darn deep. All right, guys. I'm gonna take my first cast with the Kitech. Shouldn't take long. The water up here is beautiful today. Sucks, we got a lot of wind. Be a bunch of wind noise for you guys. But should be able to make do. Hopefully we can catch a big catfish tonight. Got one. Tom's got one, boys. Oh, I think it's whoa! It's caught. Oh, tanglepuss. It's not. It's a smallmouth. Town's got one, boys. Finally. Hell yeah! Look at that, Town.
That's a start.
That is what we call a start. Show him to the camera, child. Yeah! Let me go. A little bit of brain damage, but he'll be fine. Alright guys, we've been fishing for probably 20 minutes so far. Town has got one. And I haven't got a bite, and Casey hasn't got a bite yet, I don't think. But been a pretty slow day so far. Hopefully it picks up. It is getting towards the end of May, so stuff will probably start slowing down here soon. But hopefully we can catch some fish today. Stay tuned. I'm sure we'll be able to catch some more.
I'm just hooked up.
Hooked up, guys. Or I just turned my camera off again. Yeah, I just turned my camera off.
Here, I got you.
Casey got it though. Walleye.
There you go, first walleye day.
Heck yeah. Missed a, I don't know what I got. I turned my camera on and then I turned it off.
How'd you catch them?
There's a wall, it's just setting.
Just that one.
Wasn't even moving.
I was caught a few last night like that. Awesome. That second one of the day.
Pretty long one too. Skinny fella. Look how skinny he is.
Yeah, he just
like,
come out of spawn.
It's like starving to death. Alrighty guys, got another walleye. I'll take it. I'm gonna throw him back after I snap a quick picture here. Alrighty guys, there's what got it done. The old Kitech Swing Impact. Best bait of all time. Works anywhere around here, at least. I'm sure it will where you guys fish as well. Got him out of the spillway here. Beautiful day. Water's beautiful. Very low. Run back.
Alright guys, I'm gonna, well, you get some white ones. Alright guys, I'm gonna move my catfish rod. I usually only let them set out about 20-30 minutes each, like different areas of the water. Then I'll reel it in and put it in a different spot. But it's been there for about a half hour, so I'm gonna try another spot out there. Maybe we can find a big old catfish. My pole's running. Come on, don't give up on it. Definitely wasn't current. There ain't enough current to pull that. Something was definitely messing with it. Look, I can see my line out there. It's out there. He goes. Come on, brother. Let's get it.
I love it. Whenever you hear that pull, baby.
Yeah, I heard just a couple clicks and I was on it, man. Come on.
Give us a fish. Big old cat now. Oh, another click.
It's turning a little bit.
He's messing with it.
Edging over just a little bit. He's got the line tight. There, come on, go. Run with that. I don't know, man, what to do. Oh, I'm gonna get ready and give it to it. Come on, take it one more time. Yeah, I'm like heading up towards, I wonder if this thing's got that swallowed, man. I'm clean up in there by the waterfall now. Up by the overflow, huh? Look how far he is up in there. I was clean down here. I cast it up in there, but it floated down into here. Nope. Oh, what the? I got a snag. Are you shitting me? Oh, there it goes. I got it out. What the heck was that, man? I don't know, guys. It was running. It started running again.
Alrighty guys, we've had Casey's had his pole run a few times, but we think they're gar. Been a lot of gar over here recently, so we're thinking gar is grabbing it and running with it. That's why we can't hook them. So I don't know. Stay tuned. See if we can catch someone. The Kitex. It's been a very slow day for them. It's kind of shocking.
Nothing, man. Like, what the hell? It's gar, man. I bet you gar out there just tearing into this thing. Yeah, because it, like, that was running, man. Yeah, put it up there and that overflow up there. God, I missed one. There goes that pole again. Oh man, he hit it like right there, bro. He did when I was pulling it out of the water, man. Can you pull that up for me? My catfish pole's running. I got a catfish pole running. I got a striper or a hybrid on my line right now.
You're ready to stop. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's good. Man, he hit it when I was pulling it out of the water. He slammed it.
Another one on the green tide. Little hybrid.
Come on, man. Open your dang mouth.
The quality hybrid in this place decreased so much.
Right?
You never,
be always this big, man.
You never see the big ones. You never see one this small.
Nah, these are tiny.
You'd always catch them. They'd be
This is
huge.
all we've been catching.
Now all we see is these small ones because of people walking out with full stringers. But now that'll stop.
Yep.
So let's get it in here.
Put them back.
Thanks, bud. Get stoked.
Look at this, guys. Screaming.
Them bar can't grab that big rainbow top.
Yeah.
Too big for it now.
He's getting bites on this pole, bud. Look, here he goes. Come on.
Bro, I seen a jar. It was huge, dude. Got him?
Nope. Oh, that's fun. One of these times I'm going to get it and snag one or something.
Alrighty, guys, we're gonna get ready to head out. Don't really want to leave this early, but I gotta go to Walmart and stuff. But it's been a pretty slow day, so don't really mind. But hopefully next time we get out here we can have a better trip, catch more fish. But I'll see you guys whenever we get away from this water and it's not so noisy for the outro. Alrighty, guys, I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. We had a pretty fun day. It was slow, but we had a lot of bites on the catfish rods and we had a lot of fun. We'll be getting out soon. This video was just filmed a couple days ago, and I think we have one or two lined up after this, but lots of videos coming, guys. We're really pushing them out this year. 2023 is going to be a huge year for Brooks Boys Outdoors. We're hoping to get monetized by the end of the year. That's the goal. Our watch hours is shooting up. If you guys can keep watching, watch the whole video, watch all the way to the end, and be sure to share with your friends, and make sure you always leave a like and subscribe and comment. All of it helps, and we appreciate all the support, guys. If you guys got any extra money, you guys can support the channel by leaving a donation. The link's down in the description. Don't feel pressured. I'm not pressuring you guys, but for any of you guys that like to do it, it's there. But till then, I'll see you guys in the next video.